In this tutorial, I will show you Sharpen tool in Adobe Photoshop. So let's dive into this. I have already opened a beautiful image and I have created an empty layer, and you can see Sharpen tool is located here. This black tool stack, here is Sharpen tool. You can see Sharpen tool sharpens the soft edges in an image. So it is sharpen the soft edges of an image. Its great benefit is it can work in a empty layer, so that this will be non-destructive and you have lots of control on your editing. So I need to select sample layers, and also you can click protect detail, so that the image detail will be same as like original. And also here is strength. You can down and up this strength percentage as per your need. And here is mode. You can see this is normal mode. Usually Sharpen tool is working, we are working in normal mode, but here is darken. Darken mode is what? That it will suppress the white color and expose the black color. Actually we use this mode during when we editing in the shadow, and this is lighten mode. It will expose white color and decrease or suppress the black color. Hue is the color wheel. You can see this will work in the color wheel. Saturation is the intensity of color, which will work in the intensity of the color, and this is color. And luminosity, it is luminosity exactly lightness or brightness. So that was the mode for this. So I am selecting now normal mode, Sharpen tool, sample all layers and protect detail. You can see I am want to sharpen this area, strength 49. So I am in the blank layer and I am sharpening. You can see the edges are really sharpening. You can see the more area sharpening. So if I click turn off this visibility, you can see before and you can see after. Also I have controlled I can reduce the opacity to adjust the effect percentage. So actually this is non-destructive way to edit the image. So that was for this tutorial. If you like it, please subscribe this channel. Keep editing.